Guys, welcome back to Holloway's Garage. It's been a while since I've posted some videos, but I've been trying to get through and edit through all the footage I've been taking. Just haven't had a whole lot of time to do it. Summertime is just crazy for me, and so hopefully I could get back on the ball and start getting those videos up for you guys. Today what I'm going to be working on is this. It's a 3-point landscape rake or York rake, whatever you want to call it, and this is from palletforks.com, which is it's called Titan Attachments, and they build all kinds of attachments and stuff. And I've had a couple of them. They're pretty stout attachments, and they're reasonable too. You're not gonna like break the bank going and get one. I forget what I paid for this. I think it was like $700 shipped here, which is on the cheaper side of things. Like if you were to go to Tractor Supply, get the same style and same build quality, probably it'd be like around $1,000 or so. But it comes packaged up nice. I bought a grapple from them before, and actually I didn't realize it, but it was a grapple for like a Toro Dingo, and I needed it for a skid steer, the quick attach. And it wasn't that, so I got back in touch with them, and they actually took it back and shipped it for free back to them and everything, which is awesome. So that's why I do buy stuff from there more often, because they have great customer service. But here we are. I'm going to cut all this up and get it out of here, and then that way we can get it together. It shouldn't take long to assemble, and then I'll do a little review on it, I guess. I'm going to take it out to my property. I've knocked a ton of trees and stuff down, and I'll just gotta rake up some debris and stuff on the ground. We'll see how this works for that. But let's get at it. You can see it's packaged up pretty nice. They give you a bunch of angle iron that they weld into a box to kind of protect it. It comes on a pallet. There's a bunch of this heavy banding or strapping, whatever you want to call it, and they're just real heavy zip ties, cable ties. So I'm just going to take a sawzall or a cut-off wheel, cut all that off, and we'll bust it open. Alright, so there's not really any instructions here, but this is what they give you. They give you just like an exploded diagram of the rake itself. So really what I'll do probably first, I'll probably build the 3-point hitch setup and then flip it, and then put all this, the tines and all that crap on there. And then that way I could just lift the thing, flip it over, hook it up to my tractor, and save myself any heavy lifting, really. First thing I'm going to do is take these bushings, or these pins, and there's a few bushings in here. I'm going to take these pins, just run it like this. Pretty simple. I gotta duck down for this. This is real simple. These tines, and you'll stick them underneath here, and then they have these clamps, and it'll clamp the tines in place. And then you just bolt it through, and that's it. now I'll hit it with an impact. Hopefully it'll grab and pull them all tight instead of me having to put a wrench on the other side. But let's just hit that with the impact now. Alright, now it's all one piece, I'll throw it up. I'm not going to be really doing much with it right now. I'll try to get some footage of it with me using it. Maybe I'll just use it in my driveway for now, so you guys can see. Overall, this thing seems like it's pretty stout. And then when if tines go bad or anything like that, you can always just replace them easily. So that's nice. And I'm sure I'll probably have to spray some paint on here a little bit here and there because it gets chipped off and cracked and stuff. But overall, looks pretty good. The welds look pretty good. So, should work good. My Coyote's orange, and this is orange, so that's good too, I guess. Not that, I mean, I don't really care because all my implements are just old and random colors and shit, but good deal. And about a week ago, this was like a murder scene here. I bought an old Chevy, like an 02, for $300 bucks. Thing ran, drove on my trailer, had 4 flat tires. I'll put a picture up if I could find one. And basically I bought it just for the motor really, but I just started parting it out. So I pulled everything out of the thing, hauled it over to the scrap yard, and now I gotta figure out where to stick all this junk. But it has some good parts on it, so $300 bucks, you can't beat it. And I figure if I find one that's wrecked or something, I can just swap front core support out and a few parts and I'll be in pretty good shape. Well, hey guys, thanks again for tuning in to Holloway's Garage. This was a quick one, simple stuff. Just figure some of you guys have tractors and follow me or maybe subscribe, and I figure I get a few things up there of what I do with the tractor and some of my heavy equipment like the excavator. I just bought a little Bobcat 873, so that's another thing I'll get some videos on. I'll probably have to do the timing belt on that thing just to be on the safe side, change some hydraulic filters and some maintenance just to make sure it's all good to go. And then I guess we'll see what happens with that. Hopefully I can make a couple bucks with it. And it can lift around some heavy stuff. My tractor, that thing will lift like 1,200 pounds or so, but it's kind of sketchy once you get up to that with the hydraulics, because I mean it'll just drop stuff. You know, it doesn't drop it slowly. So once it's maxed out on the hydraulics, so that Bobcat should lift like 2,300 pounds or something. So that should be good enough where I could lift frames, lift cabs off of frames, stuff like that, move cabs around, and not have to worry about tipping over or dropping the damn thing. But figured thanks again, but for checking in, and if you liked what you saw, give me one of them thumbs up. If not, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. That way I have an idea of like what you guys are looking for. And then if you want to subscribe, you want to see more of this kind of stuff, just hit the subscribe button, and I'll try to pump out some more videos for you guys. Sorry I've been a little late and slow lately in the summer, but this fall and winter I'll crank out a ton of videos. I'll get a bunch edited and I'll start pushing them out pretty good. But thanks again for tuning in, and you guys have a good day.